Reunion, how to play. The object of the game is to be the team with the most points after a certain time limit, or to reach a predetermined point total like 100. Place both decks on the table and the timer to the side. Split into 2 teams. Pick a team to go first, then turns alternate. On each turn, one member of that team goes. Each player must take a turn before taking a second turn. On your turn, roll the die. If you roll an Alias, then you draw the top card from the blue deck. Otherwise, draw from the orange deck. Flip the timer, and that player must perform the challenge on the card based on the die symbol rolled within the 1 minute time to score points. The goal in all the challenges is to get your teammates to guess the word on the card. The types of challenges are as follows. Spelling. You must spell the word in the orange bubble backwards a maximum of 3 times. The letters have been arranged backwards here to make this process easier. Your teammates may not take notes. Mime. You need to act out the word without speaking or making sounds. You are allowed to show fingers indicating how many words. Password. Read the word to the right of the light bulb out loud. Now, you may give any single one-word hint to help your team guess the word adjacent to the symbol, and that's it. You are not allowed to say the word. Your teammates must now use these 2 hints to guess as many times as they want until the correct word is guessed or the time runs out. Drawing. Using a pencil and paper, you need to draw clues to get your team to guess the word. You are not allowed to draw words or numbers, and you may not make any noise, gestures, or facial expressions. You are allowed to indicate how many words the answer is. Alias. You need to get your team to guess all the words on the card in any order you want by describing the words. You may not use the word or any part of it, or a translation of the word in your description. If your team misses even one word, you score 0 points. You choose. You pick any one of the 5 challenges to perform. You will score points based on the challenge picked. When the time runs out or you complete a challenge, your turn ends, and points are scored for successfully completed challenges. Return the card to the bottom of its deck and score 1 point for spelling, 2 points for miming, 3 points for password, and 4 points for drawing and alias. If you failed the challenge, then you score 0 points, unless you failed the You Choose challenge. Then subtract the points of the chosen challenge from your score. Then the next team goes. The team with the most points at the end of the time limit, or the first team to reach a predetermined point total, wins.